The Sabbat E16. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Sabbat E16 True Wireless Earbuds. This is the newest model version that follows the popular E12s. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, an assortment of ear tips, and a storage pouch. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, AAC, aptX codec, and CVC 8.1 for noise reduction, 11mm balanced armature drivers, and high-res audio, button control, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. It also comes in 4 colors: Mystic Black, Aurora Green, Galaxy Blue, and Neon Red, which we'll be looking at. The case is compact and slim. It has a glossy finish with a sharp, bold color. On the bottom, you have the wireless charging symbol. On the back, you have the USB-C charge port. And inside the case is a status LED. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. As mentioned earlier, this has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The earbuds have an ergonomic shape and design, and it's molded to the ear canals. It has a glossy finish just like the case, and the ear markings are etched in on the inside. The outer face has a flat surface, and you have the button control with the logo. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, button control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 48 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Sabbat E16 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in a bit low for my liking and it was a bit underwhelming. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested it in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were extremely comfortable and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. They felt secure and you can wear them for extended periods of time with no issues. Button controls have a clicky feel and it doesn't require a lot of pressure to activate. Build and quality is good. The case and earbuds feel durable and the color is very sharp and it stands out. Earbuds have a slim profile and don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Button controls responded well. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 6 hours and 24 total with the case. App integration along with ANC would have been nice to see. Now when it comes to sound, these were really impressive. Starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced. It's deep and punchy and doesn't sound overblown. Mids and highs are clean and clear. It's a bit forward but not too bright sounding. I like the wide soundstage. I would describe it as a balanced, accurate listening experience. It did well as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, these earbuds are excellent when it comes to the sound and rank up there with some of the top earbuds that I have reviewed. If you found the Sabbat E12s to be a bit much when it comes to the bass, these are definitely more balanced sounding and refined. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned. It won't have all the features such as app integration and ANC, but if you are just focused on the sounds alone, this will not disappoint. So that is my review of the Sabbat E16 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.